Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody was trying to follow my video from the other day, and they've got some problems besides what I just fixed for him and sent him the file. Like I don't think he had it grouped together when he was doing the envelope tool. And also I've just noticed that your colors are CMYK. This is RGB and it's aligned, so it's good. We're gonna nudge it out of the way. We're gonna select all this and we're gonna right click on RGB, and now we got RGB black. So he was asking how I got we need to fix his envelope mess up right here. And since it's black on black, we can grab the shape tool, go up to object, convert it to a curve, and we can just bring that down just so that disappears. Now we're going to try the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and move. We've got a little leak, so we're not going to worry about the Smart Fill tool. We're going to take the stars, and I just redid them. They're in a group, and we're just going to put them in our shape, and then we're going to reuse the envelope tool on just the stars. So go to envelope, and we can get rid of these two sides because we're not messing with the sides, and then just bring that up, bring that up, bring that down, bring this up a little bit, bring your center down. What you're doing, you're making it look like the wave of the flag. Try to get this part pretty much even with that top line. Same thing on the bottom line. So that's all I was going to show him, and then I realized there's some mistakes in the flag itself. I think what you did, you made lines, and you didn't use the Smart Fill tool to make these lines, because there are some little niches right here. I don't know exactly what it is, but there's some, and you can't really, it's part of the envelope. You've already enveloped it, so you can't really go back. But let's just back up here and let's just make this line thicker. Let's make it to like 0.62 and make sure we scale with object. And now those other lines have disappeared. But because our line is thicker, our line now is a funny shape. So if you'll go to object and convert it to an, or go to object and convert it to an object and grab your shape tool, you can actually bring that box up. Now let's look at the top. Same thing here. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Bring that part down. Bring this part quite a bit down and make it, see, there's the other part of the flag. So I think you're good to go. I'm going to resend you this file because I think I've figured out some of the errors in your way. I don't really know what you did wrong, but that looks pretty good. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.